Hello, we are team number 2 and today we are going to present the assessment 3G, the idea validation. For this assessment, we will be talking about how does we make our idea validation for the social project, so we need to remember our clue question that is mentioned here. How could we help people develop critical thinking about the digital information they receive? For the process validation, we set our objective that was present our social business idea to get feedback from our potential customers and then of our mentors. We talk about with 50 people by Zoom, Google Forms, WhatsApp, also face-to-face. On the next slides, we will show you the attributes that we think that are important to take into account. Here we have the profile of the early adopters. These attributes will help us to comprehend our customers' needs, their feelings, as we have seen in the empathy map on previous assessments. We have the age from 19 to 38 years. Almost all of the people are from León, but also we have people of Lagos de Moreno. If you put it on a map, the characteristics look similar, so it will be very useful. They have the opportunity to count with tools like smartphones with Wi-Fi or mobile data, and they are students and workers. After we met with our first adopter, we collected data from them and we first asked if they wanted to create a conversation about the biased news system. 69.9% said that it was a great idea to create a place where they can create a conversation about news. But 23.1%, who were only one person, said he wasn't interested. Here we needed to know if people have the concern in fake news, and most of them have it. With the 84.6%, we are sure. The 15.4% of people does not know if they have heard any fake news. The majority of consumers have the concern of making a feedback in the daily news. Now we have the qualitative findings. First, users have to be treated personally. The development of the goal idea needs time. The only way to be lucrative business is advertisement inside the app, and users need a quick access to the daily news, maybe a notifications form. And now we have the validation process conclusions. By reading more about the topic, listening the feedback of the mentor, and talking with people that are our early adopters, we have concluded that our idea is validated in a positive way. Many people are interested in what's happening in the country and in the world. We need to be careful to don't fall in tendence. Be as transparent as possible. It needs to be easy to use, and we need to implement a plus to say we are the best in what we do. That part will be mentioned in the change of the iterations in the next slides. In the iterations, we changed 3 times the prototype. We realized that Google Sites it's not the best platform to make the real site or app. But it is great to prototype our ideas, discovering what we have to do within the continuous improvement to achieve excellence and to be able to launch our product on the market. Of the change we made are add a button of comments, improve user accounts, and change in privacy, because we realized that it was only for the people that has an tech mail and the possibility to create a profile for the users. For entrepreneurship, we need to follow some steps to make sure that our idea is the solution for a necessity. In this case, a social cause. The part of idea validation is hard because it's when you see the way that is going to go your idea. All of the times you need to make changes and many iterations. But this hard work has a big reward, and not only talking economic rewards. Also the satisfactions that you contribute to solve a social problem.